Hi there, this is Michael Anger. Welcome on my screen. In this case I would like to show you how to make telescopes with tension parts. I make a right click on this tooth, which is a pontic in the moment, and which is named as pontic, and I say load custom model tooth. So and then reduce here. Like that. So we have to do that on both sides, of course. Smoothen a little bit. The telescopes by a framework. Okay? So I hope you liked that video, and we will see later in the others. Yours, Michael. Bye bye.